We've got a big... Let go, let go.
Let go.
Hey guys, Influencer Family here today, and we have a quite exciting episode. As you know, I'm a full-time influencer and the kids help me, hence the name Influencer Family. And what I've been doing is saving all of our summer products for one day. So today we have a water slide, today we have a swimming pool, we have water guns, we have reusable water balloons, and we're going to bring you along with us as we review all these different products. But first, I want to show you the reaction the kids are going to have when they come running out to see what we've set up. So let's go ahead and go get the kids. Come see what we have. What do you think? Dude! What do you think?
Cannonball.
We've got a big... Oh! All right, Grace. So we have a big family-sized inflatable pool that we're going to be reviewing here shortly. We have a 30-foot slip and slide right here.
Slip and slide.
And then, of course,
I go yellow.
this goes over this way. This is what it actually looks like. And then we have a bow that shoots water balloons, and we have an electric water gun that we're going to be testing out. But we're going to start with these. What do you think, Lizzie?
Fun.
How cold is that water? It's warm?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, let's see your cannonball. Making your splash in the world.
That was so awesome.
It was.
I'll put you back.
All right, we got ready to get started on some of these reviews? Huh? Lizzie, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
We got work to do. We ain't here to play. All right, let's do it. And then, uh-oh, cannonball. Watch out, here he comes. Colty, what do you think, dude? You love it?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Just like that. All right, so we just wrapped up the pool review. Short and sweet, tons of grass. Now we're gonna hook up this water slide. Carter, let's go ahead and hook it up right there. Now this water slide is really cool because it's 30 feet long, has 2 lanes, and has a sprinkler down the center, the entire length. So this is going to be a lot of fun. We could always use dish soap, honey. Or do you have baby shampoo? Go ahead and turn it on. Just turn it on slowly until I tell you when to stop. Just turn it on all the way. And it's got to fill that tube up first before it starts spraying. Nobody get hurt or break an arm until after the review. Here it goes. Oh, it's coming alive now. Oh, that's cool. It's not too much. Nice.
Wait.
All right, hold on. We got to start the review. All right, so we got our water slide ready. You guys ready to do this review real quick?
Yep.
Hard day at work today? Yeah. All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Who can make it all the way down?
I'm falling.
Oh.
Yay!
All right, try again. Now you know you got to go faster.
Go!
Wah. Who can? I bet Tanner can make it all the way down. There you go, Lizzie. Wow. That was a great one, huh? All right, let Tata try it. Let Tanner and Carter go. All right, go. The most mass wins. Wow. All right, so we just finished the water slide review. Mom's stepping it up with some baby oil. We're gonna make it extra slippery. Y'all get in line. Let's see how it goes. Oh no, oh no. What could go wrong? All right, so who's going first? Lizzie slid. See if you can go fast enough to ramp off the back of it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Colty wins. No! You just got taken out by a 5-year-old.
Ready?
Wow!
I know.
Now we have a water gun to do, and we have water balloons to do. And I think there's one more thing, but I can't remember. So I'm gonna go inside and see if the water gun's charged. All right, so it's 2 versus 1. The water balloons are in the pool. We're gonna see how it goes. Y'all ready? Yep. Don't throw them at me, the camera can't get wet. 3, 2, 1, go. You can't get in the pool. All right, so for the next video, we have to, well, nice. Glad I was recording that one. We got to use these water balloons and somehow shoot them out of a launcher.
You guys know you're splashing.
Carter, what do you think about these water balloons?
Honestly,
Are they the best ones?
honestly,
Yeah. These don't have the magnets in them,
that's
so you kind of have to be careful with them whenever you snap them shut. I mean, they work, they get the job done, but the ones with the magnets stay together much better. But these do break open easier, so when they hit you, they don't have to hit you as hard. You just gotta be careful, or more careful throwing them. All right, I'm gonna go get the launcher. All right, so we're gonna say filming issues. Carter shot the first balloon, we can't find it anywhere. I know it didn't go that far. Way to go, Carter.
Is it right there?
Where? No, it's pink. You think I don't see an orange balloon sitting on a blue slide? Come on, bruh. All right, Carter, let's see.
Now watching. I'm asking that word.
Way to go. All right, let's see. How far will it go? Not bad. Let's do it again. See if you can pull it back further this time. Yeah, shoot it higher. Oh, goodness.
Keep going. Don't let go yet. Dude,
Let go, let go.
let go.
Whoa, that went all the way to the truck.
Yeah, I know I'm trying.
Nice.
I know I'm trying.
All right, so we reviewed the water slide, we reviewed the pool, we did the water balloons, then we did the water balloon launcher. So the only thing for outdoors that we have left is going to be an electric water gun that self-fills and shoots, and you can also add a water bottle to it as an attachment to like an extended magazine. So let's see how bad this goes. It's gonna hit him right in the hands.
Ready? Pull. I am.
Breaking records. The barrel in the water. And show me the vents on the front. How long for it to fill up? There it goes. Very cool. Wait for the helicopter again. All right, we're gonna go put it to its test. We're gonna go ambush everybody out front and let's see what happens. Go back where? Yeah, go ahead. Ambush! Go get Colty. Go get him. Get Colty. Run, Colty, run! All right, Colty, it's your turn. Give it to Colty. Get him back, Colt. That bird just dropped something. Oh, Get him, Colt. Well, that's going to conclude our day for the influencer family. And after a nice hard day of work, it's time to jump in the pool, cool off, and relax.
Day of work is so hard.
What?
Child labor is not fast.
Oh, okay. You get room and board. And you get the toys. Oh, okay. So if you like videos like this, make sure you drop a comment, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel. And until next time, what do you say? On the spot.
On the spot. On the spot.
Or you could just say peace out.
Okay, peace out. Bye.